Hey everybody, we're going to do a quick teardown video on something that I've never actually seen in real life in all the years I've been working with computers. Those of you who know Windows XP and whatnot will recognize this. It's a Windows Easy Transfer cable. This particular one says it's for Windows Vista, but I'm sure it would work with any Windows Easy Transfer setup. This used to be the way you would move all your settings from your old computer to your new computer. You'd plug in these USBs and then I guess there's some kind of communication deal in here. I've never had one open before, so I honestly have no idea what's going on. This might not even be that interesting. Let's see, let's get a screwdriver, because I think we can just, because I don't want to damage it, because I may actually need this at some point. I do still work on older computers every now and again. Almost, a little more. Come on. Definitely no screws. There we are. Just glued. Yeah, there's quite a bit in there. I really expected this board to be a lot more bare. Let's see, we have an EEPROM, a part number, and a microcontroller of some sort. What kind is it? Looks kind of like a PIC. It is a it's upside down. Alright, I can't read that. But it is it does kind of look like it says PIC. Well, whatever. That's a microcontroller. I'll see if I can figure out what it is, and if I do, I'll put something on the screen right here. And if not, then we'll go past it. We do have an EEPROM though. It's an I2C EEPROM, going by the way it's grounded. 24A02, so that's a 2K EEPROM. And then still trying to read that. I think it says like PIC 35A1 or something. Let's see, and it has a, what speed is that crystal? 12? Yeah, 12 megahertz. So that must be all it does. It just must tell it how to send the data back and forth. That's crazy. That's a voltage regulator down there. So when I can figure out what that chip is, maybe I can talk to this thing. They have a JTAG plug on the back? No. Just a bunch of passives. So that's the inside of a Windows Easy Transfer cable. There's not much to it. So this is going to be a short video. I don't expect y'all to really watch it. It's probably not going to be a very well ranking video, but that's okay. The whole point of this is so that when somebody Googles what's inside an Easy Transfer cable, they'll land on this video and then they'll know what it is and they'll know what's inside, and they can decide if they need to proceed with whatever they're wondering about. So let me snap this back together. Roll up that side. And same thing, roll up that side. And that's it. We'll call that good. So if you have any questions, comments, all that fun stuff, leave in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for watching.